All right, people, a citizen, calm down. You know, I've got patak when they wait for since don't they on sit now. Now sit back and listen to Ame Imaswen.
I had a dream. I had this dream before. Some wicked men were pursuing a dog. And I had that feeling it was you.
Your son chose his fate. I want the son to die.
My son will not die. I'd rather have you dead than to have my son dead.
Awa!
I only brought you some food. Your
Hey! Sule, you carry this boy now go my personal dungeon. Do you hear me?
They're a huge gang of kidnappers.
If anybody even supposed to kidnap that woman, now me. What do they want to kidnap my candidate?
You're a mad dog.
Criminal! 2 months ago, they kidnapped the mother of the commissioner. Who did it?
No, that's nothing. That's not legal at this.
How did you make your money?
Ogedegun.
Ekmenedi,
What up, man?
you're a great man.
What did you hear? Ra takiyan tadi. Awa wano. Ba mi we ogbo bokonyo we kete. Begwa gbidiawe.
Edoze,
What up, man, Baba? Now, get second days. Me to be me on West Ayo. And I do we no man do my. But for the sake of those watching us, because 70% or 80% of what you do, you are always behind the car.
100%.
What is your duty in this industry?
Okay, first and foremost, I would like to appreciate you. In recent time, you are among the very few Edolites that I hold in high esteem. The reason is not far-fetched because this is an idea you betted and it's becoming a phenomenon. I want to personally let you know right here that this is the only program from this part that I watch.
Oh, Papa, I said, you see the reason why I go stand up again?
Yeah, because it's so entertaining. You are so grounded with our language, which is quite a phenomenon. Because I know you're not up to some certain age, but the way you maneuver, the way you craft the words is amazing. Nizedo, let me come back home.
What talk about, Baba?
There are some few because I not like Edo me. The manaya akbebo ya oye Nigeria say, but Edo awa bi meji. Again, me gana be swing when na Edo emewe ya swing. Anyway, o amenaga won be say imaswing. Ni go do fia we amen. E ma soro nega seti wati amenaga won ni ya fia mo aba e me na ya ki amen imaswing. Ikwarina me wa we ba wi una we de be na ya direct film we na ya kwekugbe. So I'm an editor, director, and recently I also debuted as a producer, produced quite a number of movies, and we thank God. To God be the glory.
Where are you, Moson? Terrace. Amen. Imason. You know why? Because I won't know if we answer.
Beautiful, stylish, quality. These are the words to best describe Blessed Val Kiddies and Adult Collection. Blessed Val Kiddies and Adult Collection are into sales of kiddies and adult clothes, shoes, and bags. We are also into sales of fashion dummies and customized car seats to give your car interiors that fabulous look. We also have Blessed Val Kitchen and Wine Extravaganza. Here you can place your orders for wines, bag of rice, tin tomatoes, groundnut oil, 7 dishes, and lots more. For more information and order placements, please call Blessed Val, your one-stop shopping point for all your fashion and basic needs.
I will be no kuvu. Recently, Maggie me were doing okay. Like you now based more in Lagos.
You are very experienced. I learn a lot from you, especially there are some 4 or 5 persons I respect in this our region because of their poetic power. Pamozai Sobakpolo, Akobe, our musician, and High Prince of Seminki. And of late, you came into that realm. Yeah, because you are so grounded. What is Zebo Sebo? So every man, they not take a kenny man, Buwa Kakabo, no. And seeing a young man, because if you're in Ibu, no rage in way, you know, Ibu ni Azedu. So you are a source of motivation to a lot of us, the way you make use of this our language. Coming back to your question, men, me why are swear in when I now get do me swear. In that swear with a war. Me feel more funny when I tell a war the over pampered child. Then in our do walk when I tell Agbawu that was lay ya me yikiri me one again. Edo me na wa if you me draw the me we go Edo me na do awe ya. Of late. Away na no really go aya koko a CD makate moyi but a CD na ebo cause ebo mudia hema no ebo hyokpa ne so you might rule lele so a CD gradually is fizzling out ire kiverio eta ye ro cinema there we are that's the big screen. So, Zewa, when I may war, it may war, my did away, it may war, I may leave. So, ni may be Bayani Warriors Lima, and also and I mobile me, Nipuni may report, but you plan me, I do ya warrior to Nipu.
About digging in Yasu.
Okay, Venimaji. Mais on va l'en faire gagner. Il veut faire back pour nier. Il veut faire back pour l'industrie. Again, me I finished secondary school. That was 1998. Whatever not you, no man when I landlord do I must say. Yeah, we never go. On a do where I finished secondary school and you are dear. Echo. And then me was sick down at 98 ni. Men I have a location. Me even I have with me here in my wagon. Me you demonstrate on a directive film of that is sacred. Then Pussycat was among the characters. In I declare your way. Whatever I lay or share with Pussycat in here. What are we doing? Then he was in charge. This is one in my highway bros. Yeah, but they're going to hear a Boba like. On a real kayatua, it's no matter the other ask what you eat. But to me, walking a Boba never. I'm like, okay, in Winana watch.
And someone were giving
Screen.
They were there.
Then, in a Francis Duru, or that was with Mama Sunday. Me say, "Hey, waiting, well, we did we where to take that away." So from there, I developed passion. But one thing that was very, very scary to me, I was camera shy.
Okay.
Most times I run away from interview because I can make you to act, I can yell at you, I can, but the middle where is very difficult. Because a Bible where know thyself, man, know thyself. So I knew my strength. And okay, I want to be a director. Mais that's when I learned it. Imawa here director ni inando here production assistant. I wanna give you yari onare yari ubeso yari give so here as we are given. From there, the year 2002 in Adola school, school at Township Polytechnic. Megi say school in Ado are a dramatic society, drama union. Then from there, Manado have in at do union. If you do you have meet your then there was one particular Edo end of year party in Mao. You know, I can stage a play. Now I can stage a play. Already mega anyway, we had a good script. I brought some people, Manado out there. Again, I have finished. People stood up and it was an ovation that I never expected. So from there, I developed my interest into the art. Then, but before then, I grew up in a cultural background. My mother was a very good singer, so there's hardly any drum I cannot play. I can sing, I can do all that. So when I got to Township Polytechnic, it was now an avenue for me to exploit everything. When I finished my ND, before I landed on my ND, I already have a script for this, my first film, titled Iwowo. You know, I want to direct this movie. Knowing the nitty-gritty of moving actors from one point to another, the blocking, how to conceive a story and make it very realistic and all that. So any when I got home, I tell them I last burial, Avi Sakaba, so I now was able to fine-tune myself. Then 2004, 2005, I made my first full-length movie titled Iwowo.
So Baba, and you are still in the industry.
Yeah.
So and you see the travel, and now the advent of this cinema and whatever, Baba. Now let's talk about the challenges here.
The challenges are enormous.
Okay.
If I want to start to list them, it may surmount the gains.
Okay.
So most time I don't want to dwell on challenges. I always want to, like I was telling somebody this morning, I said, it seems everybody can rule Nigeria on television.
Yes.
But when they are not giving the mantle,
And on social media as well.
when you not give them the privilege to say, okay, you become the president or the governor, they all feel woefully. So for me, as a director, I don't believe so much in talking. Like today now in our state, what has killed the Benin movie industry? They are all doing shout out. Somebody is doing better. That's where you see our actors. And it's a shame. I'm using this platform to say right now, they are doing better shout out. That's all. Nobody has actually really sat down to say, what is happening to our industry? The Yorubas are still watching very strong. At the time, the Benin movie industry was fought in Nigeria. There is no human being, there is nothing living that doesn't have challenges. If challenges come, how do we resolve it? How do we live above that challenge? So that is the problem we are all faced right now. Wait a minute, I want to be very blunt as I can. 40 years,
Okay.
so I'm not be 40 years, set on rule level.
Yes.
So again, now we had to head turn.
Ah, Baba Nagbo Fensa, any
That
give
is
me
it.
Imizabo. Oh yeah.
Our industry, man,
Okay.
a lot of them, they are not serious. That's just the truth. I cast in my with my heart. It will. They banker where he.
Yes.
They bank in my now winner. It do win my work with. Who do resign? Maybe I'm industry for. Or sending I was a big cinema drama.
Yeah.
What do? I'm on your screen. Mega poster on another poster. A lot of our guests, man, they have some good numbers of followers. In Ayana Kugbe, they can do a big job that will actually get people's attention. And I get it, say, but on I want to go, and I want to go. They have little brick rich, never progressive input. I also see a lot of problem here now. A ban a film now, so it is easier to publicize. Or it can a unity when a program where I am a boy and where my Muriva. They gigs raw near the association. Or a Kenya rally round when a program when I will take it on air. There is as big as Coca-Cola or your way publicity. You need to get people informed that a business in you go on. A city man what may ever play our. I don't know if you understand. May ever DVD player unity, error. People are not united. Personality clash. You know what I do that news say where. Ultimately, by now when it do at all of me ka be one. Me ka one.
Papa, but
I was young. I was in my early 20s.
okay.
Me ka one. But me only me we me na kpo boni me. Oye mi ni wa ya won na mi e won ma de just say we oye be ma na we me. Lack of professionalism, some of the challenges in my facing industrial manner. 2, lack of unity. 3, lack of government's presence.
Okay.
Yes. When we everything one time we say now, when we send the government to have it, these guys, that is the essence of governance. Is jara humanity, making your people happy, for them not to go into crime or a governance.
Edo where ego or yegbi ema. Tanana be lubono kwa viriana where no car weze.
I cannot do it.
Or have not been here. So now we are going to tangle the boat and push forward. A lot of people don't go out of their way, especially this Benin, invest in the movie industry. But at the end of the day, rien so, rien rien.
A business of private or nana be me nana we na wana mi kwan gbe.
Okay.
No ye no ro. Oni complain.
Okay.
Ta we ye no ro. No ya no ro. Wota. Also in that time our challenges in my face ba.
Okay.
Awe fi mi gbe bo so lo pa. Oni dem no say me na we ni akugbe na mo akugbe pa. Ma ya na kokugbe na gele work pa no ma. Ọwọ́ náà mú ìwé jọ mẹ yá ìwéwé náà pa yá ìwéwé ẹ̀fẹ̀ nẹ̀ ní ìwé náà máa ìlàdí hàn náà wọ́n gbàgbọ́ yàbọ̀ ọgọ́ nàmọ̀ náà it may not really do us good. There is no way náà yá ìdò mọ̀ kpá fún wa because in the time of movies a film music bẹ́ẹ̀ bí wẹ̀ wọ́n náà mi náà bá náà ẹ̀gún wọ̀ pa o. Or na logo se na gwa la kugbe bo me wi me o egbe ni a ni ya vie ran bo ha ni ado ati me e ma no ate ya vio so e unity ro e me na mo go fo a me we do ri go ni me ni ya we fi me ma o ni aya gwa le ma no owu wa bo egu o ma la kebe no ya gun o ma la kebe no tengbe mu Igo ma nuwe ya muni we aze kwana.
Yes.
A son of medicine me una o ma run me pay 800,000. for just 7 days because you're not here. I want to not me 1 million. You're not here. You might only where about my wife where ni me ke na jadi moto no kwa. Only a caricature. You have to say where na when ni lue 5 naira ji, it do lue 50 kobo yo. No ke ya di moto ya fi. I will many make any. I've succeeded in spoiling my own chances for tomorrow. I've succeeded in spoiling the industry chances because when I do aware I big again, I've oh you come. When I do go to now. Now man I do go you now where or 70 doctor away ye wa me kini na tem we wana we bo wana I work where I go no warrior away na gie ko wana ya tie ni 12 years me ye won me we meti wa mi be wa wana ya di with if you boy you out dey body me u me yari wona na I go around amaro awe o e so we run how maybe one way or the other but no match any me or ebun se but agbon to ni e might be your my go there we want me I go e wa ri no when you no because wona na me o e mi awa o e wa do cause when e gbe ma ye na o me dokpa equation wa gbere ma be o ga fi mi wa ni o we wa mi abi ma so enba ya wa record yen do ba me be car wash e mati awe
Yes.
you might understand
Yeah.
I am my yodne
Yeah.
so me ti fie ki yo me manaria chance me wa material go you na we do ri ebuku obi me o bottom no man
Yeah.
I don't know if you understand
Yeah.
so if not say na mi go wa alu go jo e mani amu go na ni agreed keke be we ya I wa na osalo bo ero we ya na wa te ya o boy ma o wa we ya fuck up e ari go nu we e ma na keke boke wa kagele wa o fimi no titi be do wana na be ni me yo e me mo story I love you e mo story akobe yo e ma na wa en wo ihun na ni awo ni abi mama okay jabe you some more gi then do jabe ni that day na abi sandoka abi a fine boy ni me abi ever make at least was the first major film not like YouTube retona not ye YouTube sa o pepa na do gbegun me owe film na any awa re owo e ni send account number kiyen orin eri yen gbe ona sente no ba ere ona bi pin mi kere jo be no we no idi and won send nikin o ma gwa le di atowo wa no we o e do ma we po na there. Those are some of the things we say me aye mo fine boy la jan be na oye gbe ni bunia o be na a man must be known for something a program nana a platform na oh well no agbona ike ya so for me e ma copy e work as small
But when we take no be no one where if you are proud of what you can do. Because I when I lily be no one we tell where even if ikobo mana go away, you know how well women.
yeah
But are you?
yeah you
You know what you can do. You know what you are capable of, and you believe in yourself. While say church, I will believe in yourself.
Yes,
While
believe
we
in
even say can as ye back, but ne ye to will believe in
Yes,
yourself.
it's very
Are
important.
me worry okay time. But when you are trying to believe in yourself, and when you are trying to be proud of what you can do and what you are capable of, agmoidu alakore, how will that guy is proud?
take be mo
Or even we analyze it and asking sir that you are grounded in this job. You are good. You know you are good. You don't need any confirmation to know where you are good.
so
But no yaku know where Ladiani
I will
alone.
make
People
it
will
with
go
more.
against it. Baba, what be your take? How you see which perspective you see audience go see these things from? They not go reason now say I may must when you sit down for platform they say na him be the best.
no I've never said I'm the best
No, from
no
the angle they will
yes
say
I've
from.
never said I'm the best
Okay.
The world can do without the best
Okay.
what I am clamoring for is be good at what you are doing
Okay.
like Pedro Medina, If some person say you are multi-talented,
Yeah.
I don't believe in that.
Okay.
Away, jack of all trade, master of none. What I'm advocating for is that when we're presenting, you are the one that, and you lure me watching this, it may waste data because you are good in what you are doing. You are grounded. I want to be very good in speaking my language. I don't say anything now. So what I'm clamoring for is that they director were working, we were more and do it well. They cameraman were working, we were more no what we were say. Agboya we very on industry man we move forward. Where I am proud, where I'm good. The records are there.
They are there.
When my son are they are just arrogant for nothing. I did Agbawu.
Yeah.
Agbawu became an instant hit in this city to the glory of God.
Which I can attest.
And he made stars. I don't know if you understand.
Yes.
Then I did Okina. A woman wrote me from America where a female, in fact, a female said to him, what confirmation do I need? From December till now, I've gotten 3 awards. From here, the records are there. It's not if you know what you are doing. All you like see Ronaldo now. He's a skillful footballer, or my very own Lionel Messi. They are good. You don't need to not tell them where they are good. Even they may like, even who are they arrogant to you? Only you are proud. If you know what you are doing, a lot of people have attested. Go and Google all my films. I go Canada, my mind away. I don't know if you understand.
Yes.
It's so very raw. I'm a team of Pani with the girl at Sharon.
Because now you don't bring the project matter.
Yeah.
And she came here at some point, and I got a project in it. Then now she finally met Jeff for more year and all. But what was really the problem of that project?
The problem I had with that project was that again, Mate she put in 300,000 into my account. That was 2013.
Then.
Yeah, 2013. Then, where some of the actors they are available. Now, next year. When we go year.
Yes.
Again, you do more. Obi me do beer yo.
Okay.
Obi me do lie.
Oh, it's normal.
Obi me like only. Again, you ya mwebe with my yawe. Imeiga.
Yeah. Right.
Because one thing you must know about film, a film is music that you and you alone can produce your beat. Who lawe studio, who will swear, who don't miss a no. Film is an ensembles of a good cameraman, a good actor, a good director, a good lightman, a good soundman, a good costumer, a good makeup, if possible, a good welfare. Because an angry man cannot
It's
dance.
an angry man.
That's it. So you need a collection of all these. You want me Pasalov in Wagaya? No. A director is not a magician. A director is somebody that knows all these things. So you go my a tire shooting in me. Me message I saw you sa ana we dey. O ma be me mu. It is secret in our open platform that time. My do a man in Matama where go regulate the camera and say,
Yes.
may operate the camera, may art, directive editing, MU. So the cameraman man go up PM, cannot PNC. I'm obviously going to get a bad picture, which I cannot change. That was, it's not the story that was
Bad.
it's not the story. The picture wasn't good. Mena do I keep pay. The lovely girl was now angry. She's one of my most loveliest actresses. I can't say when I did or I love the girl. The girl respected me. 2008, man, Sharon. Hey, more ya tie. If you me me, no ya gwalo me adi. Ona we my with him. I said prosper. Okay, to finally lie, she was quite young. I don't know if you understand. So I not told her I took full responsibility.
Are you looking for a place where you can get quality ironworks for that your fantastic building plan? Or are you looking for solid burglary proof to keep intruders away? Then worry no longer, as you can count on Omori Steel and Fabrication to give you the fantastic iron fabrication to make your building outstanding.
Make I don't go lose my face. Blessings fall on me.
For bookings and more information, please call 081-79-111-024, or you can contact us on our Gmail, amorifab@gmail.com. Omori Steel and Fabrication, quality at its finest.
I'll take you back a little. One kind, but now we're working away film where we are trying to establish, the process now you make a good movies. Now where we film is a lot of Umaro, we film Akubemaro. You made mention of a lot of actors and you know some more piano. But when we bono bono, we are buzo no na voato no na as sweet as ohe. Na yive mono momeni to yive calm no. So now, Papa, is that the secret we are making the good movies? Those good actors.
Like every time I went back, you wait for me, you wanna so.
Okay.
When you wanna so, you boy wa so now.
Because as a method to a lot of people, they are watching.
Yeah.
So when you made mention of those people, because I don't see some of the films when you yourself do. When we say some of those people not do, at the end of the day, it came out well.
Yeah, why I said that, there's what they call serious-minded. So there are some person that is already grounded.
Okay.
If I really have some funds, if every manager now, I might test a DVD why I will.
No, why I will.
Interest coupled with the maybe economic hardship. No, we rather we might be going out there buy for there's if cities 600. But am I not yet to do.
Yes, very well.
If you want to revive this our industry, serious-minded actors need to be brought in.
Okay. The old ones.
The old ones who fuse air by the younger ones. These younger ones need to tap from those ones' experience. Do you know when I do not, the actor I always like to direct is a Kobegian. I'm not saying it to gain favor from him. Whenever we are on set together, say, direct me.
Okay.
Direct me.
On behalf of his pedigree.
Yes, when I say, you always direct me. Now you call me, so you should know what I should. A lot of our directors cannot even move the actors around. Then you know
those are the challenges, those small directors, near fakes. Because most of those big actors, those A-list actors, they give them problem.
No,
why on set?
Even on English. Hollywood, when you have block, you have to go and look for what they call body double. Or when I superstar we working on Hollywood we were a director you move we around. Agwalo wa no ho only take a block in way. We got only do we my way. It's like that. Stardom of a live or a directed so no that I beg about I have to touch it or do. If I don't okay agwa, if I will a position or that way chief of staff, chief of naval, any of your core. So you grow to that position. I will give you a secret. My very first film, A War, a passed a lot of work out on my set. Yes, I'm saying it now. Or women might send or your boy if you over here not doing the if you go. How do I tell me?
Action.
He what kind of said, but today a pie is like we are like this.
Yes.
Because I've proven myself.
Yes.
The Bible will study to get thyself approved.
And the records are there,
That's
just like you
it.
said.
That's it. Again,
And
that's it. Me wa go. We are one. What is this? There are things I can't do. He left set. Director
is the God of production. Yes.
Now, as long as I'm all son,
Big production.
I was just 22. At that then.
So what happened finally?
Finally, my elder brother came here and to resolve a big man to big man, elder to elder. But when we not did that,
yes.
No, you not saw the outcome of that war.
Yeah.
The boy not get you know where my with him.
Yeah.
The may work by Egema work by Yemi Akbahu. Eri Mabi Paji now.
Now, outside your brother, sir, you still have a mentor? I don't know.
Yes.
You are a brand that compete with yourself.
No, I'm not a brand that compete with myself.
Okay.
I'm not that arrogant.
Okay.
That's
So outside your brother?
First and foremost, film is one profession that has a combination of art and science. So my brother taught me the science part of movie making. But in terms of interpreting story, telling story, I got that from my mom.
Okay, meaning are we going to see your mom as your mentor now?
My mother mentored me in storytelling, but my brother fine-tuned it like filmmaking.
But we said outside your brother, sir.
Yeah, I will start from there. First, I will give it to God,
okay.
My mom and my brother.
Okay.
But then outside both of them, who are my family, there's this man called Andy Amineshi. I don't want to go foreign.
Yeah.
Andy Amineshi, when he did Oracle, in Yamayangwa, he go directed with our big brother here, Pedro Obaseki.
Listen, we are still on it. Are we Vimafo Agmameo? So, Baba, now, do we have him, sir?
Okay. I met with the ambassador to America sometime 3-4 years ago. Or when he got 12 years old in Nigeria, we if we want unity.
Okay.
Okay.
Nigeria.
In Nigeria. In that what to be the Ovie domeki owe de Nigeria ikibo me passport edua e na we owe so you are in Nigeria we ovie dokin owo se ni my na wa kugbe
okay
e na we ma ka opa wa ne bodo silima okugbe so ovie do pataki meki won de
okay
e mekiri ovi rokosa
okay
e ra ve hin iye we na ga ovi gwo ga nebu we want say one the better we zigiri we see e make we see making a problem upon no e ra we je na ra gbon go zigiri si ana bi me ma wa be sign of my say we e wo pa kan wo pa ya ho e ma you might don't understand but era me obi e boni ije me obi e boni ya yin e boni so era me oni me awo bi rokosa e making so meta me we e bonana bi me o e ka be se so ina we that America will not be met to aware you are an American citizen. So I am from Izigiri. That is the place of my birth.
Okay.
In the sea. Same one day. But my father, my origin is from Urokosa. My father is from Urokosa. In fact, we owns that place. The Iyeme is from Ebwe and Igwoga.
So Baba, so far so good. Like how many movies you don't produce now when you don't direct?
Okay, for directing, I've made close to about 30 full-length movies.
Okay, now Baba, let's talk about the Son of Mercy now.
I joma ugbonoma to omo ma na oka temu iwojo e ma so na ya fie ko were where I met was on my domo. Then 2019, ena do dekun oko no salobo afiangbe no do mu igoyo because of my female 3 million, of my female 5 million. So I go to me ati wa to bove wa kwalo. I need an investor. Ina do me a partner. O ma we give my ose we e life na e ya o ti lo won ro pa wa. Ko ma wa no happy with. O me bo pa na te na una Sam Rock. Or the studio ma bo selu again ma na me studio pa selu. Anytime no yare me wa run editing or to me to my wa ku o ge ni you give me my investor not to me go you na Moscow me we boy me are UK 2019 we are team me where you dey Moscow dey around now I'm out of the country but I will be back in so time. If you come let me know. Igelere, I called her. Well, do you have any story right now? My son of, I have a story. Then as a creative person, sometimes you have a quiet moment. So I was on my quiet moment. I made the idea and I titled film now, Son of Mercy. So I told her the story. She loved the story. On one Sunday, 100,000 Nayak made the script. Then Ego Nimekata made the girl was 6 billion. Was in my hour. He told me, my brother, I don't know why I did. I read like location. We ended up spending 10.6 million. The girl no member tell him oh you go no time when I he won't be in no they me last about. So those were challenges. Then actors they no time but actors in my viore okpa ma ni mo eni dia o wa ri e wahala me wa atie no do lie said or are you make those were challenges. Then another major challenge, the Maria or this power is actually a problem. A generator also challenge. But at the end of it all, Son of Mercy is one of the highest grossing film in cinema of 2020.
But I believe you've been able to make this money back.
You know where man. Obo unwe. Ego unwe. You know where man. Obo unwe.
Purchase your tracks today.
One thing about movies is not like tomato selling.
Okay.
Movies is a life investment.
Yeah, that's true.
For cinema, he has made impact.
Yeah.
The impact was felt.
Okay.
He gonna have me one. By God's grace, all like Netflix.
Yes.
Or at Netflix, he gonna have me a DSTV have him.
Yeah.
They are going to YouTube platform.
Yeah.
And every day I have it. So, I make you
continuous, yeah.
You might understand.
Okay.
You go and allow your
Baba, me I don't call the investigator.
Yes,
the outcome. Baba, that guy you call it. That's you call it, Deva.
Yeah.
Or talk about Baba. When work when I get evidence.
Yeah.
You are loaded, sir. When it comes to analyzing issues like this in my way.
Yeah,
Baba, you have that for everybody.
Ya kakabo ijeri ekmo mene osalogo doa abuyo bitwa.
Okay.
Akpa magbaye cause on my event tinegbe yi. Men vela me aware my everywhere director of Etienne. You might don't understand. Just a little so anything we know we talk monaya fe. Who dosa you say?
Hello there! Have you ever wondered where you can get quality design and prints for your ideas and concepts? Then look no further, as Gorilla Multimedia is here for you. At Gorilla Multimedia, we undertake printing services of all kinds. We design and print on t-shirts and souvenirs, printing of photo books, photo album, and exquisite framing of your photos. We also offer a cartoon and artistic drawing representation of any of your photos in either the framed or the unframed option. Don't just sit there, contact us today on 081 79 111 024. Gorilla Multimedia Services. Quality at its finest.
Movie making is the best profession on earth. You were exposed like today now. I can talk with professors. It will sound as if we are on the same. It's because of filmmaking.
Yeah.
Yes. He enlightens you. He gives you some kind of open-mindedness to see some certain things normally never were setting here because movie is life. We relate to human stories. If you sọ̀rọ̀ ni me awu or ti sioko ye kingdom now.
Oh, asioko. Magbina baba. Magbina.
We have the tools. We have the power. We shouldn't limit ourselves as a filmmaker. Americans movies made America what it is today.
Yes.
So I want to also use this platform to call on our government that you support our creative minds. We can never be science conscious, Mado West and Japan.
Yeah.
This is our strength.
Now our
And let's develop it.
Omo of your boys, sir. Onagbo boys, every man of Inuta is our father's love. So this industry now, how you see him in the next 5 years? It shows you hope today.
The way it is going now, there is no cohesion, there is no unity. And Akugbe or eti o work banagbe kian I ti spot out.
Yes, now.
But yana kuku banagbe I ti your pala they are win ogbe. So unity is very important. Our people, if they don't come together, the industry is going to just maybe have a worry. No what do invest? You ever nika before? Oh you na me we nyari. I don't know if you understand. Yeah. So I see a donor men and association of Buse, but they are not. I'm not feeling the impact. That's just the truth. Also, outside editors gig, me association ropa because me association. What is the reason for the association? Is to improve the job in the Mau.
Yeah.
Magai Kugbe ain't win an Mau. You can't say anything. The reason, yes, because the major purpose for the association is to enhance the business. Association grow, the business is not growing. That means there's something wrong with the association. That is why I don't belong to any association because I've not really felt their impact. That is just the truth. Association is support. Why lawyers want to become an MBA member is because they want something that will protect their interest, their professional interest. I don't know if you understand.
Yeah.
I'm a traditional ruler now. You have an association.
Yeah, of course.
So that they can have a force unity. The association we have here, I'm speaking as a Benin man.
Oh, but already I remain your bug well.
That's it. So association or Rema, outside the year, give a birthday shout out.
Baba, why we're another
and then maybe I want to cook the industry is sleeping as we speak.
In a deep slumber.
No, we are YouTube is annoying. Ebony industry full.
And just like you said, no, I don't know what we do.
So
they now generalize. Okay.
If me I want our people who are that son of medicine. Yeah, only few people or Oredo ni me ukeke no yi me photo bo. I me ga anya e. Ebe mi no taba we ata magmo ga mi gbe.
Yeah.
I me ya gbudu na fi mi na ga we o te fi me do mo. Memia. E ma me na me wa pay na to. Can you the real spirit of man? Who you go ne? Do you know when we camera down now? You are capturing me.
Yeah.
I don't know me where you go no man. I mean me always our friend. Except that me must 20 years. And you are now where you don't come with money.
Yes.
But in here, however, so you shouldn't form a cabal with a Dauphin. Why can't all of us come together and really move forward? But we go for no marketing or those progressive mindsets. No, a click why is not yielding result. Again, now I have youth people. I have Baba West, Salov. Any other with him again. Again, may I walk back a lot of youth. I have Sylvester. Sylvester played one scene with photographer though. No, do a big star. Brought a lot of youth into the business. No, sir, about he may go or we said do our we are with him do. He may and I love my brother. When we were a co make him where they yeah with him a bonnet, have a missing angel, or the lava MD. I begged him. Oh, yeah, dear do. Or he said, my Agbawu. Agbawu na do project yes, or a bonnet. Today, he is one of my biggest supporters, my brother. He's one of my biggest supporters. He can both send him when I give me to edit. Or I'm anybody I with him or anything more.
Recommend.
Just for Agbawu that we did that time that became an instant hit. A lot of people, a lot of these young girls. The only young girl no I read film again are Mezo Okpunu and Ogwaligo, Sandra Agbogun. Already the few young girls, no raw in Nigeria were advanced people and having wine. From my own generation, Agbawodo Vieni Bure. I start to be corrected, I may not be right, but again make it I still have some friends today. If not be your friend, I know watch. That's just the truth. I can quote their name and quote their number and name. That's just the truth. Because I brought in some kind of level where then Agbawu, what was that criticism? Yeah, where Zebo and Zedo. In that time, where language is dynamic. Umabe, if you a program went on, do you know why it's so enjoyable? Zedo, have a Zebo. Language in my we. Omoni me biya na we what am I we not do akpitan.
Yeah.
Not be go for am. Joy osia. But or dynamic if the dynamics in it or joy. That was what I played in Agbawu. Where to sustain our language. Enari Yekogba Agwalo Wanokeke. No. Ejebieka.
That was what Peaceman said as well.
If you want the youth to embrace the language, because language is your identity, or which I'm already seeing, a lot of our people now go, they are only just thinking about the gains. How will you feel? You are 100 years old. Everyone were on a matter of Paris.
Baba.
So our language is gradually going extinct. They are not doing anything about it. And the major way to really immortalize, sustain this is through filmmaking. There should be bodies given to these young filmmakers to be making movies with the language and make it so attractive for the young folks to watch. Who tell you that a movie cannot become a global film? My brother did it with Ebuwa. Ebuwa made 1 million naira from UNESCO, international body, in this city. So, what we need to do A lot of our people now go jojojo. They need to start to be 700,000, 1 million. If you really love where you are. If not, if you buy, you back by ya. Oh, where you are. I've been in Lagos for 23 years. You may get in shop.
Yeah.
But you go bad where we may. We are go where we are. But when my way now is gradually becoming a disadvantage to us. That's the truth.
Pick that word. Gradually becoming
Yes.
a disadvantage.
Yes. We are not expanding. We are not moving. Yeah, advent of this social media now. They go on social media, begin to talk, blah, 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 blah. In fact, it's as if we're if you over social media, if you talk panel. And these people, what they need is attention. They are mentally derailed. And they might back.
When I really confess, I trust the one I said this guy is good. Let's make some noise for the brother, my friend, so peaceful.
It's super fierce with a mic. He's super fiery with a conversation.
Yeah, we no nisam ya mi ano hoy tebi tetego ino to yere otin oyo we value woman.
He is the master of ceremony, one of Benin finest, the citizen.
All right, people, the citizen, call me the prodigal son, you know.
But no, today is calling my phone and I'm on top of it.
Don't go waste card finish show.
Book him now for your event. Is it a birthday party? Is it a wedding ceremony? Is it a burial event? Do you want it in English or do you want it in a dual language? He is ready to make that your event a funniest one. Gorilla Multimedia is also into event planning and they offer fantastic tap DJ service to give that your event a bubbly nature. For more info, contact us on 081 79 111 024.
I love Gorilla Multimedia.
The depression whatever to seek medical attention.
The fundamental depression.
so that because who knows what we are being American. We work to that bibini, what have social media and man relate with other people.
Yeah.
It cannot do where mana where the benukere mami gbebe kona e ma sọ̀rọ̀ na otime kona mama gbebe do we ma wa zedo na pa no. I see your brother yesterday. I said, I don't know if you understand.
Yeah,
so there is a lot together for us. It's not just about your life. I can do anything I want. It's my life. No. It goes beyond your life. If you cannot respect your family, respect the generation yet unborn, respect the tribe you're from. It's very sacrosanct. So today, all I want to tell our viewers, we are minority of the minorities in our tribe. At those states, we just have only 7 local government. 7. So that's 7 now. How do we protect it? Now I'm here where okay Soviet a hike, okay Soviet. Ìjọba ìrárí 100 years yẹn ìrágun àwọ̀rọ̀ pa ẹ̀hán ẹ̀wọ̀n ni màá zẹ́nà off. So how do we preserve it? It's very essential because it's gradually going extinct and let's all come together to preserve. We don't have any other language. America, I have visited abroad very well. To be honest, an average diaspora, 99% a mad already. That's just the truth.
All right, people. I went on mama and one. How you recall? You know, if you dey inside, see, if you dey grab, you suppose know what I mean. No mama and one. How you recall? I will catch you again. Don't go anywhere. Baba will be me, Baba.
You don't know what to let on this program.
All right, sir.
A message now, a program now.
Okay.
a program that has a sustain industrial man if you have women on them now advertise no it maybe na advertise the program and not make an generate go na ya where this young man has been doing this thing alone and for me it's not fair. I also want to use this medium to call on all the geeks, be it donor every Thursday or Saturday, or that show, 30 minutes. Never any awareness where I will film. So that if you make a ladia, he has a TV there, I got with the advertisement. So that the quick manner. No make that Thomas Ajo. When he doing you, I will allow prodigal son. Also, but or more agbese. On your say, man, it boy. In Unana no Una, or my the made it in me never immigrate because in see or Yahoo, he has brought a lot of our celebrities. Nimai Kwewa Neata. One day, he has brought them to this platform.
What talk, man? All right, people, still with your boy, still with your personal person, still with your colleague, still with your blood. The citizen, call me the prodigal. No, never call me that name now. For President of Malga. I'm Imaswe right here on the platform. We'll be back.
You viens de nous hommes. Wabebe le gekaye. Lao. Et YouTube on a mis Gorilla Multimedia dans we platform dans la vie mani we kware na etsia ogberae ewo ma ona meroji is the best program on YouTube that I've seen from this part. I'm the filmmaker, a director, producer and editor, an international multi-award winner. Thank you. Peace out.